Hello everyone, this is Sophia. Today I'll be doing a prom makeup look tutorial. First step is I prep my skin with serum. Okay, the next step will be apply foundation onto your face. Gumamit kayo ng kahit anong foundation na available ka at straight just dab it to your face at siguraduhin mong i-blend mo ng maayos. As you can see, I'm applying concealer under my eyes kasi masyadong nangingitim siya. And then you blend it. Meron akong contour, so ilalagay ko lang siya sa places na dapat mong lagyan ng contour. And then mamaya-maya ay i-blend ko na ito. Ngayon naman, I'm using liquid blush. I just put some dots on my face and then i-blend ko siya gamit ang aking makeup sponge. So this time, I will be baking na naman. So, maglalagay tayo ng setting powder under my eyes and then just gently swipe it para maging pantay yung coverage. And also on my jawline part, lagyan mo din yan. This is my makeup palette. So, gagawin ko naman ngayon is maglalagay ng eyeshadow. At ang kulay na gagamitin ko is dark brown. I'm morena and it suits me very well. Ngayon is, I'm gonna be blending my setting powder since maglalagay ako ng blush mamaya. Eto na nga, kinuha ko yung other eyeshadow palette ko at I chose the gold color kasi medyo shimmery siya at shiny. At boring naman tignan kung puro brown lang, so inilagyan ko yung mata ko. Hindi naman necessary na gawin nyo to, but I'll be drawing my eggyosal kasi I feel like Korean. Joke, eme lang. Ayun na nga, nakalimutan kong mag-film sa eyeliner because I was too focused kasi hindi kasi yan pantay eh. You know, mahirap talaga mag-eyeliner ng pantay. Pak, nagpo-pose si ante kasi ang ganda-ganda niya. Huy! Ito na, for the last step, I'll be adding my lippy and then my lip gloss. Here's the final look!